morning, everyone. This is Jess, the Garden State Koi Pond Girl. If you're like us, you're looking forward to the warm weather ahead and to open your ponds this season. With your fish coming out of hibernation, you will notice that they're going to become more active. You may even notice them almost begging for food. Even though it might be tempting, it's super important to wait to ensure the health of your fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals, and their metabolism is determined by the water temperature that they live in. Feeding your fish too early can cause food to get stuck in their digestive system, which can cause health problems, diseases like dropsy, or even death. You want to wait for the water temperatures to stay consistently above 55 degrees before you start to feed your fish. You will also want to start slow by feeding them a small handful of spring-specific food for cold water temperatures only once a day, and be sure to remove any uneaten food after each feeding. Once the water temperature is consistently above 70 degrees, you can increase the amount, frequency, and change the type of the food. For more information, feel free to contact us, and we look forward to meeting you and your fish soon.